The deep ocean, covering more than 2/3 of our planet, acts as an immense realm of enigmatic mysteries. With over 80% of the ocean still unexplored, each dive into this world offers the chance for extraordinary discoveries and the excitement of the undiscovered. Let's embark on a journey to explore 20 astonishing and unforeseeable treasures that have been concealed in the depths of the sea. After 20 years of tireless effort, the Ocean X team, in partnership with iExplorer, has successfully completed an extensive search and recovery operation. This monumental effort led to the development of a specialized salvage ship named the Deep Sea Worker. Captured by a diver, this ship, recently arriving in Sweden, carried an extraordinary cargo of cognac and liquor, believed to be over a century old. These spirits were likely destined for the last shipment to Tsar Nicholas II's Russia. The Deep Sea Worker was specifically engineered to retrieve bottles from a reasonable depth in the waters between Sweden and Finland. The importance of this discovery goes beyond the rarity of the cognac and liquors. It represents an important piece of imperial Russian history. The owner of the Benedictine brand, Bardi, was thrilled with the discovery. The brand, with a legacy that stretches back over 500 years to its creation by French monks, adds additional historical significance to the find. Having aged for centuries, the liquor in these bottles is thought to be exceptionally strong, marking a unique and intriguing chapter in the history of spirits. In 2004, near the coast of Tuscany, a significant archaeological discovery was made. The oldest known medical kit, retrieved from an ancient Roman trading ship. Captured by a diver, this find is astonishing. Believed to have been journeying from the eastern Mediterranean, the ship met its end near Italy around 130 BC. First discovered in 1974, further explorations in 1989 and 1990 revealed a trove of glass lamps and dishes from the ship. A resurgence of interest in 2004 led to the extraordinary discovery of a wooden box containing various medical instruments and tightly sealed cylinders holding 2 different types of ancient pills. Laboratory analysis of these pills revealed fascinating insights into medical practices of that era. The first type, made of various natural plant ingredients, was likely a vitamin supplement for sailors. The second type, rich in zinc, suggests it was used to treat vision problems. This over 2,000-year-old medical kit offers a remarkable look into the medical knowledge and practices of that time. Recovered from the sea's depths, it serves as a direct link to the past, providing invaluable information about the pharmaceutical tools and treatments used by those navigating the Mediterranean over 2 millennia ago. Cuvier's beaked whales, named after the French naturalist Georges Cuvier, are fascinating marine mammals renowned for their incredible diving skills. Captured by a diver, this would be a sight hard to believe. Georges Cuvier first identified them in 1804 after a beaked whale carcass was found ashore. These elusive creatures have long intrigued scientists with their enigmatic behavior. Human encounters with Cuvier's beaked whales are infrequent due to their preference for deep waters and rare surfacing. Surpassing even the famed sperm whale, Cuvier's beaked whales hold the record for the deepest dives, reaching nearly 3,000 meters, thus earning them the title of the world's deepest diving mammals. Zoologists have documented their impressive stamina, with one individual completing a dive of an extraordinary 3 hours and 42 minutes, far exceeding the typical dive times of sperm whales. These marine mammals have specialized adaptation for deep-sea diving, including unique chest structures, the ability to reduce their heart rate, and the capacity to store oxygen in their muscles. However, the exact mechanism that allows them to withstand prolonged deep-sea immersion is still a mystery to scientists. The largely unexplored nature of Cuvier's beaked whales and their astounding diving abilities continue to fascinate scientists, highlighting the ocean's endless potential. In the icy dark depths of the Southern Ocean, a creature of almost mythical size quietly prowls, the colossal squid. With lengths reaching up to 46 feet and a weight of half a ton, this massive cephalopod is the largest invertebrate on the planet. Yet, despite its immense size, it remains an enigma, with only a few specimens ever captured and studied. Captured by a diver, this would be an unbelievable sight. The colossal squid is notable for having the largest eyes of any animal, a characteristic that contributes to its mystique. Its arms and tentacles, equipped with sharp, swiveling hooks, hint at its predatory capabilities. However, the greatest mysteries about this creature involve its way of life and behavior. Knowledge about its mating habits, lifespan, and interactions with other species is surprisingly limited. There are varying theories about its predatory nature, with some seeing it as an aggressive hunter, while others believe it to be more of an ambush predator. The challenge in studying the colossal squid is compounded by its habitat in the deep and hostile Southern Ocean. The remoteness of this region, combined with the squid's elusive behavior, means that the colossal squid remains an emblem of the ocean's unyielding mysteries, a mysterious inhabitant of the depths that continues to elude our full understanding. The ocean's deepest regions are home to the Hadal Zone, named after Hades, the ancient Greek god of the underworld. Spanning depths of approximately 6,000 to 11,000 meters below the surface, this abyss is often referred to as the Silent Zone, marked by some of the most extreme conditions on our planet. In the Hadal Zone, immense pressure, up to 1,000 times that at sea level, dominates. This zone is perpetually cloaked in darkness with near-freezing temperatures, yet, surprisingly, it teems with life. It hosts species like the Hadal snailfish and amphipods, which have uniquely adapted to survive in such harsh conditions. Despite its seeming inhospitality, the Hadal Zone is not immune to human influence. Recent research has uncovered traces of radioactive carbon, a byproduct of nuclear tests, in the organisms that inhabit these depths. However, our understanding of this elusive zone is still in its infancy, largely due to the significant challenges of deep-sea exploration. As one of the least explored areas on Earth, the Hadal Zone hides a wealth of species and adaptations yet to be understood by science. This silent, dark, and high-pressure world remains one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. The Yonaguni Monument, an intriguing and large rock formation located just off Yonaguni Island, Japan, has ignited significant debate over its origin. There is ongoing discussion about whether it is a natural geological formation or shows signs of human alteration. Various theories have been proposed, with some suggesting it as a man-made structure, while others even consider extraterrestrial involvement. The prevailing theory links the monument to an ancient civilization, predating our own by over 1,000 years, captured by a diver. This would be an incredible sight. Many observers note that its structure seems to resemble an ancient landing platform. The monument is composed of finely layered sand and mudstones, estimated to have formed around 20 million years ago, blending seamlessly into the natural rock mass. A prominent feature of the monument is a striking rectangular structure, measuring approximately 150 by 40 meters and standing about 27 meters tall, with its top resting around 5 meters below sea level. The distinctive characteristics of the Yonaguni Monument, along with its mysterious past, continue to intrigue and spark discussions about its origins, leaving a fascinating and enigmatic mark on the underwater landscape near Yonaguni Island. Initially mistaken for remnants of a lost Greek city near Zakynthos, recent studies published in the Journal of Marine and Petroleum Geology have uncovered a more fascinating reality about these underwater formations. Contrary to previous beliefs, the site's origins are not from a sunken city destroyed by ancient tidal waves, but rather a natural geological phenomenon from the Pliocene era, dating back approximately 5 million years. Captured by a diver. This would be a sight hard to believe. Discovered by snorkelers, the site was extensively examined by experts using advanced methods like X-ray and microscopy. Their research revealed that the unique donut-shaped solid masses were created by a subsurface fault, which allowed gas to escape. While such formations are rare in seawater, they are more commonly found in microbial ridge sediments that are exposed by natural erosion on the seabed. The research team determined that this geological occurrence in shallow waters is exceptionally uncommon and provides valuable insights into the Earth's dynamic processes over millions of years. A team from Louisiana State University made a significant discovery in Belize. A remarkably well-preserved ancient Mayan salt workshop nestled within a lagoon surrounded by a mangrove forest. This remarkable find included straw structures and historic pottery, offering a rare glimpse into ancient times. Captured by a diver, this would seem almost unbelievable. The pottery recovered from this workshop showed a consistent volume, suggesting a standardized method of production. The researchers believe these containers were used for extracting salt by boiling seawater, a method that was not only practical but also economically significant for the Mayans during the first millennium AD. Salt was more than just a commodity for the Mayans. It also served as a form of currency and trade. The Mayans' skill in salt extraction was not just a practical endeavor but a strategic economic move that bolstered their prominence among other civilizations of their time. This archaeological discovery sheds light on the ingenious methods ancient societies used to thrive and participate in economic systems, offering invaluable insights into historical ways of life. In 2019, Swedish marine archaeologists discovered the remains of a 17th-century warship in the Baltic Sea near Vaxholm. The project, led by Jim Hansen, indicates that this ship was likely one of the vessels commissioned by King Gustavus Adolphus in the early 1600s. Its remarkable resemblance to the renowned warship of that era, the Vasa, supports this theory. Captured by a diver, this would be a sight hard to believe. The Vasa, a flagship designed to intimidate enemies, unfortunately sank on its maiden voyage in August 1628. Despite its impressive size of 70 meters and equipped with 64 cannons, construction flaws caused its downfall just 1 kilometer into its journey. Today, the carefully restored Vasa is displayed in a Stockholm museum. Concurrently, 3 other ships, Apple, Cronin, and Scepter, were built. Historical records and analysis of wood samples suggest that these ships were intentionally sunk after being decommissioned. Further investigation revealed that the ship found by Hansen's team is likely the Apple. The 25th dynasty Nubian pharaohs, often neglected in history due to their dark skin, a fact some Egyptians have tried to deny, remain enigmatic rulers. Despite this, ongoing archaeological efforts in Sudan, particularly around the rural areas near Nuri, are bringing their stories to light. A team of researchers, while exploring this region, found a staircase believed to lead to the tomb of the Nubian ruler Nastasen. However, upon descending, they faced an unforeseen challenge. The tomb was entirely flooded. Captured by a diver, this would be an extraordinary sight. To overcome this, underwater archaeologists, led by Piers Paul Kitzman, joined the excavation. Navigating through the submerged corridor, they eventually reached the tomb. Kitzman described the burial chamber as having 3 rooms with vaulted ceilings. Inside, the team found only golden statues. Although the high water levels made the initial exploration complex,